This Paris hotel is within walking distance to major sites in Paris, and it's perfectly located in the 10th district. If you're looking for a hotel in Paris, Hotel Le Milie Rose might be for you. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on a trip to Paris, we stayed at Hotel Le Milie Rose, which is conveniently located in the 10th district and cost us roughly 380 Australian dollars per night. Upon arriving at this hotel, we were greeted by a modern foyer with chic touches. Then we headed straight up to our room. Our hotel room was 304. Initial impressions of the room were great. It was small, but this is pretty standard for a Paris hotel. It was very modern looking, which we loved. The bedside tables had PowerPoints. They provided us with a welcome gift, which included a lip balm and moisturizer from a popular Paris brand. There was a coffee station with complimentary water, tea and coffee. The bathroom was also very modern and more of those popular products were available. That included body wash, shampoo and conditioner. I thought this was a very thoughtful touch from the hotel. In our wardrobe, we had a safe and a small bar fridge. But my favourite part of the room was the large window that looked out onto the streets of Paris. We spent 3 nights at this beautiful hotel before it was time for us to leave. We absolutely loved our stay at this hotel and would have no hesitation staying again. We hope you enjoyed watching us stay at Hotel Le Milie Rose. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.